Alright guys, this is Arc RPG again, and we are going to go back to the docks because there is something I forgot to do. And then we're going to take on the Stilettos. For a shotgun, it has a pretty good fire rate. It must be semi-automatic. Or it's a shotgun in the sense that it shoots things. I don't know. I like how it has a little target sight on it. Yeah, technically you can kill that guy before the battle even starts. That's the place we were in before. Oh god, we're gonna get yanked. Holy crap. Door's locked. Maybe that key I have will open it. That's not where it's being used. It's a dog spirit. So I need one more item. I've got the other two. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother fighting that. This is technically a boss fight of some kind. So I'm gonna save here. It's a woman. What? God damn you, fucking octopus. You tricked me. Ah, you're not putting up much of a fight, are you? Three karma, all for that. And what's this? Black ink. Well, let's use that black bottle I have. See, they're color-coded, so it's easy to remember when to pick up something. Yeah, he's still not helpful. Wait, I'm gonna try talking to him. Uh, he won't say anything until I actually fulfill those conditions, I think. Time to take a rest. Now we're gonna fight the Stilettos. How's my money situation doing? Yeah, let's max out firearm. Now I never have to worry about it again. Don't need charisma, because that's also for hiring Shadowrunners. They'll stick around you longer. Negotiation just lowers the price for hiring them. Leadership, I think that just makes them more useful. I don't know. It's a tough decision. I'll think I'll put it in the computer, though. Alright, we're ready to go. Well, we're not headed there. Yeah, those are grenades. You don't want to... I think you might be able to pick them up. Or not. Oh well. That's more like a mine than a grenade, then. I think it's funny, there's a fight as soon as you walk in here. This is called the Wasteland. This is where we kind of find Norbert and Anders. And hire them eventually. Let's talk to this dude, though. Well, no, nobody said you were dumb. Screaming Uzi. Yeah, this guy isn't worth... Let's see how much he's asking for, though. Nah. I could do the Rust Stilettos on my own. I just might have to come back a couple times. Steel fight in Akimi. Yeah, she is expensive, and she's not even all that great. The Jagged Nails Club. Yeah, that's the next club we have to go to. I think once we get more money, we can ask him about Akemi again. Or we have to get a negotiation skill. Nah, not for 1,000. I mean, that's relatively inexpensive, but money is tight right now. $1,000 for that, and for a decker like him. I'm gonna talk to the bartender. I wonder if this guy knows about Akemi. Or Steel Flight. There's Norbert. I don't want to talk to him just yet, though. Alright. We're gonna take on this group. Alright. Not willing to talk, are we? Yeah, I'm getting rid of the Molotov guy. Quite frankly, he's pretty tough. Just check and see if their bodies have anything of worth. Door's locked. And this is what that key comes in handy. I'm gonna save state again, because you never know, something's goofy's gonna go happen. Holy crap. I can't attack that guy at all. The next room is pretty much a death trap, so I'm leaving. I'm getting healed. I could have sworn I could get a jacket here. Oh well. I think I know where it is. Take a little detour. Oh yeah, I don't have the bronze key. I can't get in there at all anyway. I'm looking for another weapon shop. I think this is where I need to go. Nope. Alright, I guess I thought wrong. Oh well. I'm gonna heal up. Got 10 karma. Not quite enough to raise my body again. Alright, finally finish off the stilettos. I don't know, maybe I get that jacket in the next room. Money's always good. Well, this certainly looks like a trashed place. Come on, fall. He might actually have the jacket I need. Drake? Who's this Drake? Are you a runner? Or just another gang member? And the stilettos? They're finished. He's not telling me anything and he means it. Ah. Well, we've got the crowbar. Let's see what this password says. Drake 0006. I think we needed to get into a cyber thing. And that's it. Leave me alone. I need to heal up. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So body up one. Computer up one. And I think we're going to end here today, folks.